Open your hips, reaching towards the sky to deepen the pose. Breathe into the stretch. You're building strength and flexibility.
Deepen the stretch, feeling it along the side. Lengthen the spine, improving your mobility.
Open your hips, breathe deeply, and feel the stretch. This pose helps improve your balance. Builds strength. Enhances stability. Strengthens legs. Improves endurance. Enhances balance. Deepen your stretch. Feel the release in your hamstrings and spine. This pose improves flexibility, releases tension, and enhances balance. Strengthens shoulders. Engages core. Open your chest and relieve the stress of your day. Strengthens your core, enhances your posture, and improves your overall balance. Relaxes body. Improves flexibility.